Hi, I'm Dan Millen with Livernois Motorsport. So today we got a 22 F150 here. So the importance of this video is this is one of our first exhaust systems for the 21 and newer F150. So we also do have systems for 15 to 20 F150s, but we're going to stick with the 21 to 22 F150 at the moment. So this is a 2.7 liter. We got some comparisons of our exhaust, or the stock exhaust and our exhaust. And while stock on this truck is nice for some people, you can't even hear the truck. So our exhaust system, we worked for a long time developing a sound that we thought wasn't too loud, wasn't too quiet. So I think you'll be impressed with it. But again, this one's for the 2.7 liter. It works, we have a system for a 2.7, 3.5, and also the 5 liter. So stay tuned for some other stuff coming for this truck. But this exhaust, we would think, we haven't dynoed this yet, we will in a future video. I would think it's gotta be worth 10 plus horsepower just on the catback. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna have those comparisons right after this.